Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a clickable link button in Canva. Clickable buttons help viewers go to websites, pages, or other parts of your design. We will guide you through the whole process, step by step. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, we need to add some elements. Go ahead and click on Add Elements and search for buttons. As you can see, we can pick from different button styles. We will go with a free button like this one. Let's select it. We can add text to label the button. Now we just need to place it where we want it to go. To make it clickable, click on the button, then click the three dots and select Link. From here, we can link it to a page or add a web address. Enter the link and click Done. After clicking Done, as you can see, we now have a link attached to the button. It will take viewers to the link we chose. Keep in mind that when you preview the design, the button will not be clickable in preview mode. It only works in the published version. It is really simple. We just need to decide whether we want to add a web link or connect to another page in the design. We have successfully added a clickable link button in Canva. Now the design is more interactive and makes it easier for viewers to navigate.